I just got the microbiome test for Boo. It says KittyBiome. It takes guts to be healthy. It says from diarrhea, hairballs, and GI issues to allergies and skin and coat problems, a healthy gut can improve your cat's life.
Stella, Splash, Simba, Hydrox, Ditto, and Boo. The Lucky Ferals.
So here's what we see when we open it up. 3 simple steps to a healthier cat. 1, assess. Test your cat's gut microbiome. Receive a report in about 2 weeks. Review it with your veterinarian or KittyBiome. 2, restore. Use KittyBiome supplements to replace bacteria that are missing and restore balance to your cat's microbiome. 3, maintain. Address ongoing dietary needs or symptoms. If your cat's gut is severely imbalanced, additional supplements may help support digestive health. And it comes with the gut health test guide. So here's what we get. We get a pair of gloves, 2 sample tubes, 1 pack of swabs, 1 plastic bag with absorbent sheet, 1 wooden stick, a return mailer, and a test kit box. If you order 2 tests, your box will contain twice the amount of each item listed above. This says, to collect a poop sample, you will need the test kit box and everything inside. For best results, we recommend discontinuing probiotics for 24 hours before collecting a poop sample. Boo had probiotics this morning. That means I can't collect a poop sample until tomorrow. So I'm gonna have to wait for that. So here's everything that was in the box. We have the gloves. We have the 2 little containers of fluid that you put the stool samples in. And these are the sample tubes. And you stand up the sample tubes in here when you're collecting the poop and putting it in there. Then it comes with a wooden tongue depressor, and then it has 2 sterile cotton swabs. Cute little sticker. This is the mailer that you send the tubes back in with the samples, and then it has the guide that explains the rest of the process. Okay, so since Boo pooped this morning, I'm here with the KittyBiome kit and Boo's poop. And Boo is here too. Hello, Boo. And I'm going to see if I could finish his poop test and get this sent out today. So let's see if we could take this apart. So here is the tongue depressor wooden stick. And then here are the swabs. You're itchy, Boo? Register the sample before mailing it. All right, I'm going to go register the sample. Okay, so I just registered the sample online. It's a really long questionnaire, and they give you this mailer so you can mail the samples back, and the number on the samples corresponds to your registration, so that way you get the correct results. Okay, so the instructions say to use a bag to collect the poop. But I had these plastic containers, and I just thought it would be neater to do it in the plastic container and then just keep everything contained in here and then toss it out afterward. These are from the Dollar Tree. So the next thing it says to do is put on the gloves. I'm really not looking forward to doing this. I hope I don't vomit. I don't mind scooping poop, but having to dig around in it, I don't know. It's just nasty. So these are pretty big gloves. Then it says uncap both of the sample tubes. So these are the sample tubes. And Boo's right here with me. I don't know if that's a good idea or a bad idea. And the sample tubes go in here because you don't want to spill any of the liquid. So that's the sample tubes, but it says I have to uncap them. And then place them in the stabilizing box. Who's watching? Okay, they're in the stabilizing box. Bit of a chemical odor. Then it says, untie the poop bag, taking care to keep your gloves clean. Open the bag up to create a small work area. Then open one package of swabs and the wrapped wooden stick. Okay, so let's open the stick, or the swabs. Here are the swabs. And put them right here. And here's the stick. Now it says to break open the poop with the wooden stick to expose the center, which has not been contaminated by litter or other particles. If your cat's poop is too soft to break open with the stick, you can dip the swab directly into the sample. Do your best to avoid any contaminants. Take one swab and scoop a pea-sized piece of poop from the inner section. Then use the swab to transfer the poop sample into the tube, pushing it below the surface of the clear liquid. Okay, so here's the poop. I'm gonna push this over. Oh my gosh, this is horrible. So I was thankful that Boo gave me a very big, thick poop. Nasty, nasty, nasty. Oh my God, it stinks. Okay, I'm trying to get into the poop without any litter. And then I'm supposed to take... Boo, get out of here. Boo wants to smell it. Boo, get out of here. Boo, get out of here. Go. Go away. Boo, don't lick it. That's nasty, Boo. Guys, this is so nasty. I'm supposed to get a pea-sized amount. Okay, here's a pea-sized amount. That's a pretty big pea, actually. Push it below the surface in the tube. I'm going to put it in the tube and push it below the surface. Holy moly. Then what do you do? Carefully screw the cap back on. Ensure the tube is tightly sealed. Well, does it come off the thing? The problem is it's not coming off the swab. Like there's poop in it, but the poop is on the swab. It's not coming off the swab. Alright, this is not working. See this? Okay, push the poop back in. And push the poop back in. There. There. Okay, the poop's in. It's below the liquid. Put the cap on. Okay, that's done. One done. Ensure it's tightly sealed. So that one's done. Then it says use a new swab to collect from a similar spot on the other side of the poop sample. Ooh, this is so nasty. Boo. Ooh, this is so nasty. I'm trying to hold my breath. Okay, so this one is worse. It's definitely not coming off the swab. I'm trying to get it off the swab. Maybe it came off the swab. Okay, maybe it came off. I'm just pushing the swab around. Okay, I think it came off the swab. There's definitely poop in there. Then we're gonna shut this. Alright, seal it tightly. Place both sample tubes into the clear bag. So here's the clear bag. I just put both of the tubes in the clear bag and mail it back in the provided mailer. This is the provided mailer. So this mailer already has a mailing label on it, so all I have to do is take it to the post office and send it. And I'm on my way to the post office, which is why I wanted to do this now. And it says, once we receive your cat sample, we will send you an email confirmation to let you know. Then you will receive your report about 2 weeks after your sample arrives. And they give you a fecal scoring chart. So when you fill out the form online to register the sample, you have to kind of score the poop. So Boo's was number 2. It was firm but not hard, segmented in appearance. Okay, so I'm done. I'm going to clean everything up and go to the post office, and we'll see what Boo's results are. Thank you for watching this Lucky Ferals video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you'd like me to post more videos, and please make sure to check out these other videos that were selected especially for you.